Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to talk about actually how do I practice English and how become fluent and what actually any tricks tips available to become fluent overnight. This video those learner who are beginner and who cannot speak fluently and how to do and how to become fluent. This is a one of the secret video for this. In this video I'm going to show you how I become the fluent in English. So if you really want to know the proper guidance, the proper way to become fluent, you have to watch the full video. Although I uploaded the previous videos about this related, but this video is totally unique and I am going to show you the most efficiently and actually how I became fluent. This is the reason. So first of all you have to understand the basic things of English. So the English is just a language. It's not a something course. It's not something like scientific related thing. It's just a course like your mother language. And if you really want to be fluent, you have to remove your shyness. This is the most important cases I want to talk to you, because most of the people remain stopped due to his or her shyness. Because if you really want to learn something language, one language, you have to speak. If you learn English, you have to speak in English. But most of the students are person cannot speak because they do not speak outside, because they have shyness. First of all you have to remove your shyness and you have to try to practice. The question is, what will I talk? Whatever you are saying, you just describe your surrounding. It can be right or wrong. I teach some students, they always say, sir, I cannot speak properly, I make a lot of mistake. It's true. Before learning English, I also make this type of mistake. So if you think about your mistake, you cannot. You just speak. You never focus your mistake. You should speak regularly, and regularly you have to speak. Like if you really want to complete or inaugurate something, you first of all you make some mistake. It's occasional. So you have to avoid this, and you have to understand this properly first of all. Like you should remove your shyness and you should accept your mistake. You make mistake, it's true and it's natural. You have to understand first of all. Secondly, you talk different kind of people and different kind of area. Like if you want to talk different kind of people and different kind of area, you will get gradually different kind of motivation, confidence. So when you talk other person, you will get different kind of motivations. Like you feel, yes, I can speak outside. You should remove that once things that you can think the people who talk to me can be advanced. It's not true. Advanced person always encourage you, and when you talk to someone you think, yeah, you're also advanced. You should have a confidence. Yes, I can speak whatever he can tell me, I can answer anything. So you have to be this confidence. Just start your session. Hello, how are you? Hi, everything. Just start your point. Everything will be easy automatically. You cannot understand how it become easy. And you should practice practically. I want to talk those person right now. Like if you have no confidence, how to build up this? The most efficient thing, you have a mobile phone, you can make a video 1 minute, 2 minute, or at least whatever you can. You should make video like this way. And of course you save this video, and at least one video you record every day, and after you have to do this at least 1 month regularly. And after 30 days, on day of 30, you will compare your video with the first video. You will see your result, because this is your proof. Otherwise you always think, I cannot improve, my English speaking is not being improved, I am very disappointed, I am disputed. You will be, it is true. So this is the reason. And make your environment learning friendly. You can say how to make environment learning friendly. You have dancer, But my question is how to do this. It's easy. You hear English, you hear Bangla song, you watch Bangla related drama movies. If you really like this, from now you have to watch English related drama movie. You like, you have interest or not interest, it doesn't matter, but you have to hear, because it is the first occasion to make the environment like you. Otherwise this is very difficult, because 100% 24 hours, if you hear at least 24 hours Bangla, it is very hard to hear the English, because you have to hear 24 hours English. You have to make it your own environment. This is your challenge. I don't know how to accept this. If you make your environment like this way, it is easy for you and it is better for you, and save your time to learn any kind of language. Like, you can think your fathers, your cousins, your relatives who went to abroad, which state language, Arabic, Malay, whatever. So how they learn, because the situation is everything is English, Arabic. For this reason they can learn this language within 6 months. It is easily. So you have to make this environment by yourself. So if as much as you can control your environment like this, you will develop your everything like your own way. So I does this and I follow this, and still I followed, and also maybe I passed it. Usually I do this. I practice, I make my environment, and I try to practice especially outside, because outside gives me a lot of confidence, and gradually I have developed it. Still I am developing. You must do it, and if you can do it, you can absolutely develop your fluency. Nothing can be done in a day, and overnight it is nothing. There is no thing come back in overnight. You have to give time, you have to invest your time, you have to practice consistently, regularly. Then one day you will get your result. The most important things, you of course select your time duration, how many months, how many years you would like to be fluently, and fluency you want to be, because it is important. It give you some motivations, and also give your send some message to your brain to practice regularly. So I hope for this video you have learned how to become to develop your fluency, how I do learn English, and how I become fluent in English, etc. This is the reality, and this is the things every fluent speaker must say, this related things. I hope this video must help you. If you learn anything, you start from now. Never waste your time. Come back to another video very good, very soon, and be safe, be good, and learning very soon, and keep practicing, keep learning. Goodbye for now. Assalamu alaikum.